Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to install the SSL certificate on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to install the SSL certification for, click on dashboard. As you see, my website is unsecure without an SSL. Now to install the SSL for this website, just go to security and select SSL. And now click on this install SSL button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And now click on this install SSL button. Your SSL is being installed for your website in the background. HTTPS will be automatically forced on your domain. Click on close. Now the status is still installing. And this page will be automatically refreshed once your SSL certificate is fully installed. And now if I go back to the overview of this account, I will see this green log, which means the SSL is successfully installed for this website. And this is how to install the SSL certificate on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.